Hello friends, 99% of Microsoft Excel users make this common mistake when inserting rows and columns. They typically start by right-clicking on the row number or column number and then clicking on Insert to add a row or column. Unfortunately, they often repeat this time-consuming process multiple times to insert additional rows. This method is incorrect and inefficient. Instead, I will share with you the easiest and the simplest way to accomplish this task. First, select the row below which you want to insert multiple rows. After making the selection, move your mouse cursor to the bottom left corner of the last selected cell. As you press and hold the Shift button on your keyboard, you will notice the cursor icon changing from a plus icon to a double arrow icon. Now simply drag and select the number of rows you want to insert. For example, I selected 5 rows by holding the Shift button and left mouse button. Upon releasing the button, you will see how easily I inserted multiple rows into my Excel sheet. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.